Let me ask you something. What if becoming a millionaire wasn't about picking the perfect stock? What if it didn't require endless charts, late-night stress, or insider knowledge? And what if the smartest way to invest was actually boring? That's the bold idea behind From Zero to Millionaire by Nicolas Bérubé. This book isn't written for Wall Street traders or finance geniuses. It's written for regular people with jobs, families, busy lives, and a simple dream: financial freedom without financial anxiety. Today, I'll walk you through the core ideas of this book in a clear, calm, and practical way, so you understand what it's really about before deciding if it's right for you. So, take a deep breath, because this is Investing Without Stress. Section 1. The Big Lie About Investing. Most of us grow up believing one of two things about investing. Either it's too risky, like gambling, or it's too complicated, only for experts in suits. Nicolas Bérubé starts by gently breaking that illusion. He explains that the real danger isn't the stock market itself. The real danger is not investing at all. Why? Because inflation slowly eats your money like rust on metal. If your savings just sit in a bank account, they're quietly losing value every year. The stock market, on the other hand, isn't a casino. It's more like owning tiny pieces of real businesses that grow, innovate, and earn money over time. And historically, over the long run, the market goes up. Not every year, not every decade, but over time, yes. Section 2. Simplicity beats intelligence. One of the most refreshing ideas in this book is this: you don't need to be smart to succeed at investing. You need to be consistent. Bérubé explains that professional investors, with all their data, degrees, and predictions, often fail to beat the market. Why? Because humans are emotional. We panic when prices fall. We get greedy when prices rise. We overthink, we overreact. The average investor doesn't lose money because they lack information. They lose money because they lack discipline. That's why this book focuses on simple systems, not clever tricks. Think of investing like brushing your teeth. You don't need to study dentistry every morning. You just need to do it regularly. Section 3. The Power of the Market as a Whole. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, Bérubé promotes a powerful idea: own the entire market. How? Through index funds or ETFs, simple investment tools that automatically spread your money across hundreds or even thousands of companies. Instead of betting on one horse, you own the whole race. Some companies will fail. Some will succeed wildly, but together the market grows. This approach removes stress because you don't need to guess, you don't need to predict, you don't need to watch the news every day. You let capitalism do what it's always done: grow over time. Section 4. Time is your superpower. Here's where the book gets exciting. Bérubé talks about compound growth, but in plain language. He explains it like a snowball rolling downhill. At first, it's small, almost unimpressive, but the longer it rolls, the bigger it becomes. Money works the same way. The earlier you start, the less effort you need. The later you start, the harder money has to work to catch up. And here's the key lesson: it's not about timing the market, it's about time in the market. Even small monthly investments done consistently can grow into something life-changing over decades. Not overnight, but reliably. Section 5. Why doing nothing is often the best move. One of the most counterintuitive lessons in this book is this: the best investors are often the laziest ones. When markets crash, panic spreads. Headlines scream, people sell. But history shows that market crashes are temporary,
even if they feel terrifying in the moment. Bérubé encourages investors to ignore noise, avoid emotional decisions, stick to the plan. He explains that missing just a few of the market's best days because you panicked can destroy long-term returns. So, sometimes, the smartest move is to do nothing. Section 6. A simple, stress-free strategy. The heart of the book is its simple investing philosophy. Invest regularly. Use low-cost index funds. Diversify globally. Stay invested long-term. Ignore short-term chaos. No predictions, no stock tips, no pressure. It's a system designed for real life. You automate it, you forget about it, you live your life. And over time, wealth grows quietly in the background. Section 7. Investing should support your life, not control it. Bérubé reminds us that money is just a tool. The goal isn't to stare at numbers. The goal is freedom. Freedom to choose. Freedom to say no. Freedom to sleep well at night. A stress-free investment plan allows you to focus on what really matters: family, health, creativity, and time. And that's what separates this book from flashy get-rich-quick advice. This isn't about chasing money, it's about building peace of mind. Section 8. From Zero to Millionaire, is it realistic? The title might sound bold, but Bérubé is honest. Becoming a millionaire doesn't require luck. It requires time, consistency, and patience. For many people, it's achievable, not because they earn more, but because they stick to a simple plan for decades. The message is hopeful, but realistic. You don't need perfection, you need persistence. The core message. So, what's the heart of From Zero to Millionaire? Here it is. You don't need to be fearless. You don't need to be brilliant. You don't need to beat the market. You just need a calm, simple strategy and the courage to stick with it. This book strips investing down to its essentials and replaces fear with clarity. If this summary resonated with you, if you want the full examples, deeper explanations, and practical guidance, I highly recommend reading From Zero to Millionaire by Nicolas Bérubé, available on Amazon. And remember, we're here to help you understand books before spending your money. So stay close, subscribe, and join us every day for a new summary audiobook, so you never waste your money without knowing what a book is really about. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in our next interesting summary.